like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's going on? Spotlight RC here, going on the trail. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys enjoy this bike ride up a trail. What way do we go? As you can see, I'm riding my bike. Thank you.
Right, girl.
What? You hit my back tire. I have to go to the restroom. There he goes. Smile, bud, you're on camera. Yeah, there we go. Big trail. Don't you think?
Yep, I do. Told you, it's a very big one.
You're on video.
I think that's what you were doing.
I'm gonna post this to YouTube.
She's like, don't you?
Well, I'm posting this to YouTube. Okay, what way?
I'm being posted to YouTube.
No, what way?
That's what you just said.
No, what way? Come on.
Why do you call me something when you want to go away?
Oh, what way?
Stay this way.
Well, what's down here?
It's got a ways to go yet.
No, what's down there?
Nothing. It's just a trail, just like this here.
You could have just said that.
Well, I'm saying it now. Listen, please get yourself up here so I can. If I don't have a heart attack between now and the end of the year,
No, it isn't.
try to stay up with
Okay, I'll try. Rode quite a bit of ways to get here to where I'm at. So, I'm making this video for content for you guys. So if you want to see me come up here again, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment where you want me to go next. It was sketchy to get here, but I made it just fine. The trail is about to end, right? Wait, stop. What's down here? Huh? What do you mean a walkout? How far does it go?
see how far it goes. Are you coming?
Yes? Do you have a paper towel?
Huh?
Do you have a paper towel?
Not on there,
Well, where does it go? You said it's a walkout. Right?
Have you been around the park?
First time.
He gets all nerved up just when we get out of here.
Now I know where I'm going.
Oh, there's supposed to be like a loop and go back something. Like if you see on the map.
I know where I'm going. Sorry guys, my friend is just being irritating. I don't know why. But I'm just gonna leave him in the dust. Let him get lost. He can figure out his own damn way home. Would have loved to show you guys more, but if I wanted to be a douche, so then I'm be. I know where I'm going actually. Has I actually been here before? Sorry for the way I'm talking. Just thought he was being irritating. Oh, sorry about that, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.